Ja, mein Name ist Jan Curry.
My name is Jan Curry. I'm a hairdresser and I love my job. For me, the most important thing in my job is that my work is accurate and involves beauty. If a lady comes in with long hair, is going through a breakup and wants to have her hair cut short, then you may well ask her what has happened. After all, the customer expects me to be there for her. I have at most 25% of my attention capacity available to be aware of my surroundings. I can tell whether or not a customer is happy just by the sounds. What I find so fascinating is the simple fact that people who come to me are happier when they leave again. You can tell exactly how strong the hair is by the noise it makes when you cut it. When you're using the tapering technique, you cut a parallel line at a 45-degree angle, followed by a 16-degree line that blends with the parallels. My job involves very intricate work. I find it interesting that the human body never allows an incline of more than 12 degrees, but riding a motorbike involves angles of up to 40 degrees. That means that you have to train your brain to see the bike as an extension of your body. The ground has different sounds. It is dirty, it's oily, and it usually doesn't smell too good. For me, a motorbike is like a musical instrument. And should have a distinctive sound to it. To me, freedom means being able to do my own thing, both in my job and in my private life. Trying to perfect that over time is really great fun.